Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Discord not opening on PC. First thing first, open your task manager. For that, come below at the search bar, type in task manager, open it. Now at this page here, click on processes. If you see a Discord, right click onto it and the task. And if you see anything related with your Discord, the process is same. Right click onto it, click on end task. Type in Windows and R, then type in %local app data %enter. Here you will see various folder, locate temp folder here. Double click onto it, select all of these, click delete. You have to delete everything that you can, and for the ones that you cannot delete, leave them as it is. Now lastly, see if you have updated your Windows or not. At times when your Windows is not updated, it will show you various errors. So at the below search bar, type in Windows Update. You will see Windows Settings Update, open it. And if you see any Windows updation available, click onto it and start your updation. And for the last solution, you may go ahead and reset your network. Come below at the search bar, type in network reset. You will see it under system settings, open it, click reset now, confirm. Just like so guys, restart your computer, launch Discord and this shall work.